today I want to introduce you to two starches my Grandma Janet and Great Grandpa Cornaby helped develop. These are called Easy Gel and Thick Gel. These products were tested and improved in our family's kitchens, and we've been cooking with them for generations. Let me show you what they can do. Easy Gel has a light, fluffy texture that can easily be whisked into hot or cold liquids. Thick Gel is the cooked type version of Easy Gel. The final result is very similar, but with Thick Gel you use half as much, making it a much more cost-effective option. Let's start with a quick Easy Gel glaze. Into a small bowl, I'm going to add our raspberries, a little bit of water, splash of fresh squeezed lime, and some sugar. Then all we're going to do is mash that up until our raspberries begin to break down and the sugar starts to dissolve a little bit. Now here's the magic. Add your Easy Gel into your sugar and gradually add it as you stir. And voila, it's that easy. See how it's already thickened? This will hold for days in the fridge, in the freezer, and hours when you're serving it. It's a quick mix-in that will completely thicken in 3 to 5 minutes. This is what Easy Gel does, and why I use it every day. It doesn't get easier than this. Our next recipe uses all the same ingredients, but instead we're going to use our Thick Gel. In a small pan, we're going to combine our fresh raspberries, a little bit of sugar, water, and some lemon juice. We'll mix this up into a nice little slurry. This will prevent any clumping when we add it to our raspberries. As soon as you start to see a little bit of steam rise and a little bit of movement, we're going to add our Thick Gel slurry just right in there. Now mix it up. Now the great thing about Thick Gel is it instantly thickens as soon as it hits a boiling point. We're just going to now begin by assembling our board. So first we have our Cowgirl Kisses, and this is our sweet pineapple relish. You can see the beautiful yellow mustard seeds in there. And then we have our lovely Thick Gel glaze and our Easy Gel raspberry compote. And these are our three main stars of our board. So around this, we're gonna begin by using some soft cheeses. We'll use a really beautiful creamy brie. Around that, we will use some of our fresh berries. And you can assemble your board however you like. And then around our raspberry glaze we made with Thick Gel, we're going to use harder cheeses like Swiss. You can also use cheddar, and other stronger flavors pair very well. Along with this, we can use our meats as the salty, more flavorful profile. And one of the main parts of building your beautiful charcuterie board is about balancing the color and the textures, but also putting flavors that will go well near each other. And then onto this, we obviously have to add our crackers, and just like that, we have our beautiful summer board, 2 glazes, 1 beautiful board, and 3 Cornaby's products I promise you'll love. Now you know exactly when to reach for Easy Gel and when to reach for Thick Gel. I really want to see the charcuterie you build yourself, so please tag us on Instagram. We are so inspired by all of you. Thank you for joining me at the table, and don't forget to join the newsletter for weekly discounts and more recipes to bring to your family. See you next time.